Do you remember the first time you opened up a trading chart? Did it look like a bunch of random green and red blocks, like if you were playing a broken game of Tetris? If you had no idea what you're looking at, let's fix this in the next few minutes. These blocks are called candlesticks. Stop looking at them as math. Look at them as a story about a fight between buyers and sellers. Every candlestick tells you four things about a specific time period: the open, the close, the highest point reached, and the lowest point reached. Look at that thick part. It's called the body. On a green candle, the bottom of the body is the open, and at the top is the close. That means the price started lower and finished higher. The buyers were in control. On a red candle, it flips. The top of the body is open and the bottom is closed. Price started higher and finished lower. The sellers took control. Now, knowing who won the fight is cool, but knowing how to profit from it is even better. If you want to move beyond the charts and learn how to generate income by selling options, and you need real strategy, we teach exactly how to do it inside our Discord. Stop guessing, start learning. Click the link in the bio or head to techhedgepivot.com. Okay, look at those thin lines sticking out of the body. Those are wicks, or shadows. This is where all the drama happens. The top of the upper wick is the highest price reached. The bottom of the wick is the lowest. If you see a long wick sticking out of the top, it means buyers tried to push the price up, but sellers rejected them and slapped it back down. If you see a long wick sticking out of the bottom, it means sellers tried to crash the price, but the buyers came in and saved it. Once you see this, the chart stops looking random. It becomes a tug of war. Your job is to figure out who is going to be the one pulling harder. If that made candles click for you, smash the like button and subscribe for more trading breakdowns. And if you're ready to learn to trade with us, join the Discord, click the link in the bio, or go straight to techhedgepivot.com. We'll see you on the next one.